My old 12-inch MacBook no longer gets Apple updates. It was perfect for travel, lightweight, thin, small enough to comfortably fit on the tiny table on the seat back in front of you on an airplane. But now, time to move on. My 13-inch MacBook Air M5 finally arrived, a day late, and no, it's not a Neo, which wouldn't be powerful enough for me. My first impression when I picked up the package, wow, is it ever heavy. I unpacked it, and my next impression was, wow, is it ever huge. Once I got past that, it does look great. I especially appreciated having two USB-C ports in addition to the magnetic power port, as opposed to that single combined USB-C power port on the old laptop. Retaining an audio output port is also another plus. Apple's guidance to set it up and migrate everything from your old computer is clear, but I took advantage of their offer to have an expert walk me through it. It was fast and easy to get this help. All agents involved were super helpful and very patient. It saved me from any possible goofs, which I might have made had I done it on my own. Having the latest M5 chip and double the memory of my 2024 24-inch iMac M3, I decided to give it a tough test. I used Handbrake to render a video. The result was a surprise and a bit of a disappointment. Even with double the memory, 2 generations later CPU and GPU, the speed of the new MacBook was only 60% of the older, supposedly less powerful iMac. Some of this can be explained by the fact that the iMac has fans to keep the CPU cooler, whereas the MacBook relies on the aluminum case to dissipate heat, which is generated when the CPU is working flat out. But I'm not completely convinced that is the whole story. I was able to double the speed by changing the codec from H.264 to Apple's hardware H.265. This makes more extensive use of the GPU, which generates less heat. But using that codec in both machines still resulted in the MacBook only achieving 60% of the iMac speed. On the plus side, that is still blazingly fast compared to what I could achieve in any of my Linux or Windows computers. Although I would have preferred a lighter, more compact computer, this one is great. The quality is superb, and it is certainly powerful enough to do anything I can do on the iMac. If you do purchase any computing device from Apple, do take advantage of their offer for a live session to guide you through the setup. I was concerned that this larger laptop would not fit into my old carrying case. The good news? It fit, even if just barely. And there is even still room for the power cable, the Time Machine external drive, and a mouse. I really think that this is the best laptop available today, and I'm very happy with it.